Your biggest enemy not be devil, not be witch, not be wizard. Your number one enemy na yourself. Hi guys, welcome to Favors Blog, your one-stop channel for amazing entertainment like no other. Trust me, you're going to enjoy your time here. To be part of this amazing family, please follow us on all our social media accounts displayed on your screen right now. And do not forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you'll be one of the first persons to get notified whenever we drop any new video. Also, do not forget to like our videos and of course share them across your social media handles so that your friends and family would also be part of this amazing family here on Favors Blog. Now let's dive right in to what we have. This now Open Heavens Daily Devotional for Wednesday will be the 5th of April 2023. Our topic for today talks say the greatest enemy of man. And our Bible reading, they come from 1 Corinthians chapter 9 from verse 24, go reach 27. Our memory verse for today, they for inside 1 Corinthians chapter 9 verse 27. And it tell us say, I dey control my body well, I dey bring her under subjection so that make I not go preach, give people finish, then me self, they'll come pursue me come up for the place. Make we enter the main message for today. Your biggest enemy not be the devil, not be your mother-in-law, not be witch, not be wizard. As God picking, you know where we say the person wey inside you, he dey greater than the person wey for the world. 1 John chapter 4 verse 4 shows this one. The Bible dey very clear, say you dey more than conqueror through the person wey love you. Romans chapter 8 verse 37. Your number one enemy na yourself. The person wey go dey truly victorious and the person wey be say don conquer himself. When you dey live according to wetin your flesh tell you dey give your flesh permission to destroy your life, and e go do am very very well. Proverbs chapter 16 verse 32 tell us say person wey dey slow to anger, wey dey quick dey vex, e better pass person wey strong, and person wey fit rule his spirit better pass person wey conquer full city. Samson get power sotey only him conquer one full city by himself, but he no fit conquer himself. He get power sotey everybody dey fear am, but when he lie down top of the lap of woman, na him be the weakest of all the men. Even small pikin know say iron wey don burn am before, he no suppose touch am again. For Samson case, he tell Delilah lie about wetin dey give her power, and when he wake up, he find out say she don use this information wey be lie o, he don use am against her. Yet he no comot there, he still dey follow her dey do body. He tell am another lie, she try to use am again take conquer am, but she fail. Yet he still stay for there, he no comot. To make everything worse, he come tell her the truth at last, and he come end up dey grind corn for him enemies wey be say dey fear am before. You go see this one for inside Judges chapter 16 from verse 6 to 21. You fit talk say Samson no get sense na mumu. What about you? You dey stay away from those sins wey dey easily dey beset you. When God pikin dey very very fervent, he dey strong in God, dey do everything wey God tell her, devil go come begin dey find out that sin wey be weakness. The moment when he find that thing, he go try to use am as weapon for that pikin of God to take destroy him or herself. Now, Pastor E.A. Adeboye, when be the General Overseer of the Redeemed Christian Church of God, now him write this Open Heavens daily devotional. And I me, your sister, Lawuri Favor, now I present and give you today. God bless you.